Welcome back, everyone. This is Nate from Nate's Here and There, coming to you from near or far. Today, we are heading to the beach. We're about to get in the van, get on the road on this rough day. It's Tropical Storm Helene. Yeah, but we ain't got nothing wind here. We got a little bit of storm damage, not too much. But grab a chair for the day the Lord has made. Sit back and enjoy. Also, I'll show you this. Ooh, guys, that's a big wind gust right there. Whoa. That's a big wind gust right there. That's at least 50 miles an hour. Woo, that was a good one. I was going to show you something too. We got a ride along, a praying mantis. I'm going to show you this too. It's our front yard. And this is what happens all the time when you have a tropical system. It strips the leaves off the trees. And I gotta admit, this tree right here, I'm kind of surprised it ain't fell. It's a dogwood, it's dead. The state came through and sprayed trees and actually sprayed this tree right here and it died. I'm surprised this thing ain't fell over yet. I gotta cut it down. You see the power pole up there is power lines moving. Now I parked over here on 341, head to the beach. And I'm going to show this right here. This up here on top of this hill, right up in here, used to be a really large house. Back in 1984, there was a tornado that came through, and it leveled the house. And the reports was that it sucked the kids completely through the walls. I remember this tornado, just as good as day. I remember when it hit. I think it was on a Tuesday night. It's either a Tuesday or a Thursday in 84. I was going to say this too. Look at the clouds. It is really humid out here. And that's what happens, like I said, with a tropical system. Okay, we got to find another way around. We got some storm damage. There's a truck sitting down there and there's a tree down. Big old huge tree in the road. We got to find another way. Now this house right here really brings back memories. This was my grandmother's house. My grandmother's house on my daddy's side. Man. It's just seeing it now. It's crazy seeing it. I know you can't. It's always been kind of growed up around it. That's just the way it's been. And this house right here was my aunt and uncle's house. My Uncle David and Aunt Babe. Ethel. Her real name was Ethel. They called her Babe. I want to come here one day and do a kind of like a review. It's a dairy. It's a river bottom dairy Fresh Milk Farm raised it's ice cream and stuff. I'd love to come here and try it. It says it's fresh milk. It's over here, right south of Jefferson, South Carolina, 151. And this is a cemetery that I need to come out here and do another video. I've done a video on the one side. This is the McBee City or McBee Town Cemetery. I need to come out here and do a video on it one day. But I will leave the video that I've done out here and the links of this video in the description of this video, so you can go check that video out for me. That video needs some love too. Now this little area right here we're coming through is McBee. This is actually McBee. I've got a video that I've done, McBee/Bethune. So I'll leave that video in the description of this video, so you can go check it out. Oh, they got no power here. That's the thing about it, when you come to a stoplight, you got to use as a four-way stop. Alright, we're going across the PD River. The Great PD River. And we're going to see if it's flooding. This thing floods. I mean, this thing gets way up there. Been on the bridge. This bridge is so daggone long. It shouldn't be this long for this. The river isn't, it isn't really big. It ain't really wide. It's just, this bridge is just long. Now we're coming up to the water. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's flooding. It's flooding really good. Now this is a spot I love to stop at sometime, the Palmetto Outpost. It's a clothing store. It's right here. It's actually in the middle of the road. That's the crazy thing about it. Because there's your building and there's your road over there and your road right here. But this is a fishing tackle store I'd love to stop at sometimes. Now this is a truck stop. It's not really a big time truck stop, but this is where I love stopping at. I'll stop here in a heartbeat. This is the hot spot over here in Marion. I love this truck stop. Well, convenience store with truck parking. They got a Subway in here too. And this is another stop. We're going to come by all the time. What I want to stop at is the Myrtle Beach Welcome Center. One of the welcome centers. This is a nice one though. You get soft serve ice cream in here. And we walked inside. And this is what mainly, well, they got I got a snack machine right here, but over here is mainly what you can get tickets to stuff, like attractions, theaters, dining. partners, dining, more shopping, attractions. So now we're about to leave, and this is some of the stuff that this is a timeshare welcome center. They try to sell you on getting stuff in here. We're about to walk out the door. The only reason I stopped was for popcorn. That's the only reason I stopped. This is my type of car lot. This is called Auto World. I mean, look at these cars. Got Mustangs, old Mustangs, got Chevelles, Fairlanes. There's a bunch of Mustangs right here too. You don't see too many in here that's newer. Oh, look at that 65 Chevrolet. I mean, these cars are nice. Well, you got that one truck right there. And this old Continental. Lincoln Continental. Zoom out right quick. We have made it to the beach. We have made it down here to Myrtle Beach. And this is the City Hall. City Hall building's right yonder. Right over there. I gotta quit saying right yonder. It's right over there. And that's Maryland. This smells good right here. That's Maryland chicken. And that we're over here near the Ferris wheel and Mammy's Kitchen. I want to try that one day. We made it down here to the beach. Made it to the house. But the thing, I'm not going to finish the video here. We're going to go out and get something to eat and go sit on the water, eat out there on the water. So, or at the beach. So we'll end it out there. Okay, I'm going to show this. This is where we're going to get our supper, so we can take it out on the beach. I've done a video on this, and I will leave that video in the description of this video. So if you want mine, go check that video out. It's one of my very first videos I did. Okay, I'm gonna say that was a no-go. We went in, and their cash machine, or the card machine, was down. So we're gonna go to Subway, so we can get Subway to go out on the beach with. We made it down here to we at the beach. We out here on the waterway. and they are playing music over there, and I got to kind of talk a little bit loud because they playing some copyrighted music. And we're gonna eat. Actually, we're gonna eat right here. We got our Subway, and I'll show you what I end up getting. But this is the Intercoastal Waterway. That's that over there where the guy is singing right here is the Provision Company here in Holden Beach. We got to try it. I have got to try it. This is what I end up going with. I went with a Big Boss, which is a meatball, and pepperoni. So I had her to put onions, bell peppers, banana peppers, olives on it, and make it like a pizza. And I think that's going to do it for this one. We made it to the beach safe. Eat my sub. That thing is good. But if you like this kind of content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Hit your bell to notify you when I upload videos just like this one. Like, share, and comment on the videos. With all that said, be safe, God bless, and we'll catch you on the next one. And remember to let go and let God. Bye now.